Today I will be putting together a Harbor Freight trailer dolly. So here's some of my parts, some of the tools I will be using. I got stuff spread out all over the place. I got the directions, and I will be working off my table, putting together this trailer dolly. See what I have done so far. Part together. Thing now I got is the wheels. Putting this on, and I should be about finished. It's not that difficult to do, but the main thing is if it's worth what I paid for. The wheels, I gotta do those. Finished product is all done now. Got my wheels on, got my hitch on. It rolls pretty good. I need some air in the tires though, but it rolls pretty good. A nice long handle, rubber grip. Test it out next week when I put a little weight on it. Put my trailer hitch on it and pull my trailer. Box out the way. Not too hard to pick up. It's real low. Thanks for watching.